Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Skyworth TV if it has no picture but still has sound. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problem, you're set. If not, let's go on to the next try. Many times, the source of this problem is your HDMI connection. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of the connector. If you have a Fire Stick or Roku and it has a direct connection or has a very short cable, again, check that as well. If that solved your problem, great. If not, I want you to move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least 2 and sometimes 3 or 4 of these ports. Look around the back and the side of the set. If that solved your problem, great. If not, the next one will most definitely do the trick. However, this is a factory reset. It will restore your TV to exactly the way it was when you bought it. To do the reset, go to Settings, Device Preferences, and then Reset. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.